Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to import media files into your project in Insta360 Studio desktop application. As you can see, I have my project opened, and to import media I have several options, like I can click right here or right here and select some files I want to import, or I can just simply open up a file explorer and then select the media that I want to add and drag it over right here. And as you can see, the media was successfully added. I can put it on a timeline and start working with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.